Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitter or X app not working. So to start, close X app and go to your settings. Then what you need to do here is to scroll down and tap on general. Then from here, scroll down a bit and what you want to do is tap on iPhone storage. Then scroll down and look for X app. Then open it. Now what you need to do here is to click offload app. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Now once reinstall app appears, tap on that to reinstall the app. So reinstalling the app will place back your data, so just wait for it to finish. Now once this done, go ahead and open X app again and see if that works. Next, close settings and go to App Store or Play Store. Then from here, go ahead and search for X, open it. Then in here, you should see an update button if the app needs an update. So make sure you're using the latest version of X. And that's basically that should solve your problem. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.